Context-Sensitive Conceptual Bridge Design, abbreviated as CSCBD, which is a 3-part series to allow students the flexibility of picking and choosing based on their number of years of experience. So they've been allocated levels going from 1 to 3, which means an increasing level of difficulty suited to the number of years of bridge engineering experience. So for example, for CSCBD 1, we are recommending that anyone between 0 to 3 years of experience would find this course useful. This also means that anybody with more than 3 years of experience has the flexibility of choosing not to take CSCBD 1 unless they feel that they do need brushing up of the concepts that are presented within this course. And so similarly for CSCBD 2, what we're saying is that anybody from 0 to 6 years of experience would find this course useful, and we certainly recommend that they take it. But for folks that have more than 6 years of experience, they may choose to skip this if they find that they're pretty comfortable with the topics that are covered within this course, and they can straight away go to CSCBD 3. The next column is the estimated duration to complete the course, assuming a weekly effort of 5 hours. So for CSCBD 2, it would take an estimated duration of 5 weeks if you're putting in every week an effort of 5 hours in completing this course. The next column is the allocation of the professional development hours for each of those courses. If you complete all the 3 courses, then you would gain a total professional development allocation of 32 hours. In terms of description of these courses, I don't want to spend a lot of time here because a detailed description would be provided on the respective landing pages for each of those courses. But just as an overview, the first course introduces a student to the world of bridge engineering, talks about the various structural systems, and in particular for highway girder bridges, presents the various key components and their code design philosophies and design considerations. But the main focus of this course is to delve into how multidisciplinary influences shape the design of bridge structures, where we'd get into highway geometrics, traffic management, geotechnical, hydrotechnical, and other disciplines. Also, in terms of constructability, we would learn how to come up with direction plans for concrete and steel girder systems. The idea being that we gain enough knowledge of constructability that we are able to configure practical bridge systems. The second course is where we start getting into the nuts and bolts of conceptual level design, where we present various analysis techniques and simplified ways of determining demands on our bridge components. Then we learn how to size the major structural members, develop a construction cost estimate, and also conduct a multi-account evaluation to compare alternatives. And finally, CSCBD 2 is concluded with professional practice minimum quality management guidelines that would be particularly useful for students that are looking to get professionally registered. It is in the third course, CSCBD 3, that we bring everything together and put all the theory into action through 2 detailed project examples, one of them a traditional design bid build, and the other one an alternative design build procurement. Both of them set on fictitious sites that are riddled with many challenging constraints such as construction staging for traffic management, constrained right-of-ways and utility conflicts, hydraulic difficulties and high seismic demands, and many others. On these projects, we would demonstrate a step-by-step development of appropriate concepts that best meet the project criteria and the owner's objectives. We would learn how to evaluate them amongst each other, leading to the selection of the preferred alternative. So these are the 3 sub-courses that comprise the overall master course of context-sensitive conceptual bridge design. But the splitting gives you the flexibility of either taking a single course in this series or taking them as a pair in a bundle of 2. And if you need to take the entire course, you can take it as a bundle of 3. Keep in mind that bundling also gives you a bit of a cost advantage. So as you can see with the splitting, we have structured the overall course to suit your individual level of experience.